Fashion Angel Warrior has helped us in a number of ways. I think one of many things that come to mind is the blueprint that it laid out for us. Lauren and I do not have experience as fashion designers. And so when we're thinking through our initial idea and talking about what it is that we wanted to do, we honestly did not know where to start. And so when we found Christine and Fashion Angel Warriors, it was like heaven sent, right? Because they literally have everything that you could possibly need to know when it comes to creating a fashion business, right? There's a lot of business consultants, but the fact that they were specifically with fashion was something that we had never seen before.
Absolutely. And so our next question is, has your website traffic increased because of Fashion Startup Intensive? So we didn't even know we needed a website this early in the game, to be honest. So that's another way that Christine has helped, because we didn't even know that we needed this. We're not launching until fall of 2020, and she just gives
2021.
2021, pardon me. And she just gave us just a bundle of knowledge that is going to help us be ahead of the game. And so, yes, has the website traffic increased? First of all, we have a website period now, which is great. But not only that, we're getting traffic to our landing page that we didn't know we even needed, and our email list. That's the one thing that I will say is going to be like an integral part of our growth as a brand, is having that email list that we didn't even know to start creating right now. So we started with our close friends and family, and then after doing the Fashion Intensive Startup Program, we learned that we could leverage that and get our numbers higher, and now we've doubled that list at least.
And part of us being able to double that is with Christine and Fashion Angel Warriors service with increasing our social media following. Our Instagram account has literally grown from maybe 150 followers to now, I think it's 1,055 followers.
And it's only been 6 weeks. So we're excited to keep growing that. So just overall traffic and audience on multiple platforms have grown. And we literally would not have been able to do that without her help.
I mean, we can just hone in on the fact that our time has for sure been saved, just because we haven't really had to search for what it is that we need to do, because the platform lays out everything from beginning to end. It's literally comprehensive. And then on top of that, in terms of thinking about building our social media, as we mentioned, Christine's team does that for us. So, Lauren and I are both full-time workers. We both have full-time jobs. So it's like we have a lot on our plate as is. And this program has just allowed us to focus on what it is that we need to do, what we want to do. And you definitely saved us time in so many ways. And we just appreciate it because we can actually focus on building ourselves and building our brand while you guys are, working on the logistical things that we didn't even realize we needed to do.
Absolutely. So I love the fact that it's set up as a curriculum in the same way that we would do like online classes for a university. Given that right now we have the pandemic going on, we have just all of these reasons why everyone needs to stay at home, I thought that that was perfect. It was so timely that we found her when we did, or we found you, Christine, when we did, because we can do this from two different states. Jasmine and I don't even live in the same place, and we can literally be on the same timeline together. And there's so much information and there's so much handouts that come with each lesson in the curriculum that it's kind of like we're teaching ourselves, but with her support, and she responds always, like within a day, like always. And so, I mean, I guess I just like the ease of access, like the accessibility part of it, and being able to do it on our own timeline and then revisit anything that we might have forgotten. So it's just all around just awesome, great, saved us time, money, hassle, stress. It's just, we literally would not be able to do it without Fashion Startup Intensive. It's just, it would not happen.
No, not at all. So, hey guys, if you at all are interested in creating your own fashion business, please talk to Christine and the Fashion Angel Warriors because they know exactly what they're doing and they will definitely help you to leverage your business in all areas.
Thank you, Christine. We cannot wait to work with you more.